Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna do front entrance, staircase, and the landing area of the stairs. Without further ado, let's get started. As you can see guys, the area of the front entrance is pretty small and I don't have anything to put my shoes on. So what I ordered a shoe rack from eBay. If you're interested, I'm gonna link it down below. And my package arrived quickly. And as you can see, I am opening it. This shoe rack is pretty light in weight because it's made up of MDF board. And it comes in two colors, black and white, and I got in white. It came with the instructions and it's very easy. You can do it by yourself. I took all the shoes out and cleaned the area. Then I placed my shoe rack in the corner and it fits pretty well. I placed some flowers on top of the shelf and a trinket dish for the keys. Then I put my shoes back into these little compartments. They look very nice and organized. The wall above the shoe rack is plain. I wanted to put something up there. So I got these 3 mirrors in the set from the range. 2 comes with similar design and 1 is a different. So I decided to put 2 above the shoe rack. And here's the final result. For the staircase wall, I decided to put up frames. I bought these frames from Poundland, but later I decided to spray paint them in black color. This bigger frame is from thrift store. After spray paint, I leave them outside to dry for a few hours. Then I arranged my frames how I wanted to put them up on the wall. Then I marked the wall 60 inches above the stairs and taped down this thread as a guideline. After that, I put the frames on the wall. For the landing area on the stairs, I decided to hang up this macrame. I got it from B&M store, and I also decided to hang these iridescent fairy lights, which are battery operated. They look so cool at night. This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked my video, and if you do, don't forget to give the thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And here's the final result.